Hello, curious drivers. I was having trouble with my headlights lately, so I'm going to change the headlight bulb, and I will tell you how to change it as well. So let's remove the headlight first.
I removed my headlight to show you how to change the headlight bulb, but you can do it while the headlight is intact in your car.
What you can do, you will remove this packing, or it may differ a bit in your car, but typically it is almost the same. So what you will be doing is that you will remove either of the screws available over here. I'll be unscrewing this one. Just unscrew it, it will pop the pin out. If you can see, just like this, it will pop the pin out, and then you can remove the headlight bulb from here. I bought this Japanese halogen bulb. So what I'll do, I'll fix this bulb over here. You can see it is fitted. Now I'll just fit this pin like this, and I have to tight it, then fit the pin into a fitting available for it. So this way the bulb is tight and it is fitted. You can fit the rubber packing back, and it is all done. Like and subscribe and check out our more videos.